Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Press in with finger to release and then remove SD card. Now unscrew to pry apart display assembly. Next, disconnect and remove display assembly. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew solid-state drive. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Now unscrew and disconnect heatsink. Then unscrew and disconnect power button. Disconnect input-output board. Then unscrew and disconnect web camera. Then unscrew and disconnect web camera. Now unscrew and disconnect circuit board. Now disconnect and remove speakers. Then remove motherboard cables. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Next, unscrew and remove motherboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.